Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to change TikTok voice. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you want to change voice on TikTok, then I'll show you how can you do it. So firstly you have to open TikTok, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on this plus icon, and here you have to record your video like this. Just simply tap on this yes icon. So before doing this you have to update your TikTok first, and after that, as you can see, it's showing here audio editing. Just simply tap on this, and here is your voice. So you can select the voice from here like this.
Video. Like this.
As you can see guys, let me show you.
Record your video.
Like this.
Record your video.
And just
Like
simply
this.
tap on save, and after that your video will be saved with new voice. Okay guys, and so this is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.